Hi, this is Karen Kirsch-Page, and I'm a professional development facilitator for the Center for Technology and School Change at Teachers College. I'm going to share an extension with you today for Chrome. It's an audio note extension, and it is something I've been waiting for some time, to have the ability to drop a note into any G Suite application, such as Classroom, Docs, Slides, Sheets, anywhere where you can do commenting. This app will work, and it's called Mote. So small apps as extensions need to be added to your Chrome settings, and that's something in another video. So hopefully you know how to add that extension. Mine is already added, so I'm going to show you here how it works. And I've got a Google slide assignment that we're going to show some commenting on. So I'm going to go to the next slide. And this is basically an interactive slides assignment where I've put some of the text and images on the master of the slide so students can't move it around. And then I've got some boxes for them to click in and fill out. So I want to elaborate a little bit with my instructions. So let me show you how Mote can work. If I select any of the text or boxes that I would like to comment on, I can go up to the Insert menu and choose Comment, or you see that it's Command Option M, and I get a typical comment box, but actually you see that I've got a purple icon, purple logo in the side, and that shows me that Mote is ready to record. If I click on that, students, you can write a short paragraph here, and if you want to make your story continue, you can go to the next slide, and there's a place where you can continue to type and add some artwork. Really, I'm looking for you to tell a story about a bird that you see or that you're thinking about, and use as many of our vocabulary words as possible, including the ones in step 1 on this slide. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your assignment and reading your story and seeing your artwork. So then I click Done, and Mote tells me it's thinking, which means it's pulling together my audio comment along with a really great function called transcription, which it will provide. So I'm going to go ahead and lock in the comment, and then I can immediately play it, double check it, and I can also go to the Edit button to make sure that it transcribed itself carefully. Now, if I want to, I can select this text, and instead of giving them my transcription again, I can just write the word instructions. I could also give the transcription in another language. Mote has about 15 languages, including Spanish, French, Mandarin, Chinese. So there's some options for making your materials multilingual. So I'll go ahead and update the comment with just the word instructions, and this is ready to roll out to my students. There's one feature that I want to show you that's super helpful also, which is if you click in a comment box and put a colon, you can access the emojis that are in Mote. So I can type the beginnings of a word like smile and be able to add a smile. Or if I wanted to add another emoji, I have to just place that colon in there, and then I can start to take first few letters and reply with those. So you see, that just gives you a bank of emojis to easily add in your commenting if you think that would help. One thing to note is that your students do need to install this extension as well for them to be able to hear the voice note in the app, and for them also to be able to send you voice notes back. If they don't install the extension, they can still hear your note. Once they click on the play button, it takes them to a new tab and a web page. They click on the play button, and then they come back to the document after they've heard your comment. So it's not as streamlined, but it does work. If you have an IT person who's setting up your G Suite, maybe you can ask them to push out this extension once you've tried it to your students because it really works nicely. So enjoy and happy designing.